Today we have a haul from Walmart. The total cost after taxes was $64.02. So here's what we got. We got 2 bottles of the soft soap, hand soap refills. These are the 50-ounce bottles. We got some Great Value everyday plates. These are 50 packs. We got one larger size, which is the 8.5-inch plates, and one of the smaller size, which is 6 7/8 inches. We got 2 12-packs of the 8-ounce Nestle Pure Life water bottles, an 8-pack of the Apple and Eve 100% apple juice, 2 2-liter bottles of the RC Cola, 1 12-count of the Quaker Chewy granola bars, the peanut butter and chocolate chip flavor, a 4-pack of the Snack Pack Juicy Gels. You get 2 strawberry and 2 orange, 2 rolls of the Pen Plus Gear Invisible Tape, a 4-pack of Rayovac AAA batteries, 1 small can of the Bush's Best Original Baked Beans. This is an 8.3-ounce can. 3 pouches of the Great Value pulled pork and barbecue sauce. 2 4-packs of the Del Monte diced mangoes in 100% juice. You get 4 individual cups in each pack. We got a 12-count of the Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies. And we also got some Hostess snacks. We got an 8-pack of the cinnamon swirl baby bundt cakes, an 8-count of the Hostess orange cupcakes, and an 8-count of the chocolate cupcakes. We got 120-pack of the Great Value disposable gloves. These are food safe. One size fits all. We got a 30-count container of Q-tip cotton swabs. And we got another of the Mainstays cotton washcloths, the Arctic White. We got a couple of those last time and liked them, so got another one. And that is our haul from Walmart.